Heading to the bus stop, listening to the birds and the train horn. Because we live in the country, it's only a freight train that we have. I'm on camera, focus. Focus. There we go. It's a little off focus, I guess, because I'm moving and not holding the phone steady. As my little mama were waiting for the bus. I was behind her the whole time. She was sometimes right even with me, or to the side of the camera. She walked into a spider web, so she feels yucky. It's not as light as it is in the camera, but it is light enough to better see our surroundings. Good morning, birdies. Thank you, Jesus, for our birdies and our nature. Do you want to watch YouTube? No? Yeah. Well, I'm going to let Avery have my phone till the bus comes in a few minutes. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.